So while I was cleaning outside, my vacuuming and mopping was getting done for me. Yes, not just my vacuuming, but also my mopping. Meet my new obsession, the Narwal. You know how dirty my floors can get, especially in the summer with the dog and the kids coming in and out? Well, the Narwal has just made my life a lot easier. This is a self-cleaning system, meaning it cleans itself. This is a combo of a broom, a vacuum, mop, and it does the work for me while I'm sleeping, doing other things, or spending time with my kids. So first, while I was outside cleaning, I had it vacuuming. It has a safe obstacle avoidance, so it easily navigates around everything when vacuuming, and it even leaves beautiful vacuum lines. You know how important vacuum lines are to me. And here you can see the dustbin before I vacuumed and then after I vacuumed. And then all you have to do to mop is pop off this little vacuum cover and snap on the 2 mop pads. It returns to the base station to mop and clean your floors. It goes in there, gets the pads wet, and then it goes out to mop. It recognizes when the mop pads become too dirty. So like for my dirty floors, it recognizes when, hey, your floor is really dirty. My mop pads are dirty, and it goes back to the base station to clean the pads to go back out and finish the job. It also has automatic drying of the mop pads. It knows where it left off. So if it goes back to clean the mop pads, it goes back out, it knows where it left off, and it has smart mapping and dual paths to prevent secondary contamination. The mop pads move really fast and they are pressed really hard on the floor to properly clean the floors. Here you can see the mop pads after they had mopped. And then here you see the mop pads after they got washed by the base station. There is a tank for wastewater and a tank for clean water, and look how dirty the wastewater was. This was after multiple mopping sessions. So as I'm continuing on cleaning outside, I do also want to show you the app for the Narwal because I think that's really important. It's really easy to manage, so you can set it up to vacuum and mop even if you're not at home. And with the app, you can go in there, and when like you set it up, it goes around, it maps out your entire space. So you can see that here on the map. This is my living room and my kitchen, all of that area. And what's really cool is that you can go in and you can block off a space, like a no-go space. So if you don't want it to mop or vacuum in a certain spot, you can block that off. So like for us, for example, for mopping, we obviously don't want it to mop on our carpet, so we just block that off. And there's separate maps for the vacuum and the mop. So like for us, for the vacuum, we want it to vacuum all of the area, but we only want it to mop on the hardwood floors. Or if like you have all hardwood floors, but you have area rugs, you can block that off. So that's so easy to use.